Welcome to Quality Gunasutra. Our mission is zero-defect construction to build stronger India. With over 26 years of experience in training 5,000+ contractors, we believe great engineers aren't born, they're built. Our training agenda covers 6 key areas. We will explore the philosophy of zero defect, India's quality landscape, the 5 pillars of zero defect, and essential quality tools and techniques. Finally, we will outline the implementation roadmap and action planning to lead the zero defect movement. Zero defect is a philosophy, not just a target. As Philip B. Crosby said, it means doing it right the first time, ensuring zero rework, rejection, or waste. It originated in the 1960s with the U.S. Department of Defense and is built on the core philosophy that prevention is cheaper than correction. In the Indian context, it is critical for nation building and adheres to IS codes and BIS standards. India's construction sector faces significant quality challenges. We see a 30% rework cost and an annual loss of around 2 lakh rupees crore due to poor quality. 40% of structures fail quality audits on the first inspection, but 70% of defects are preventable with zero-defect processes. Key challenges include a lack of skilled workers, non-adherence to codes, poor mixed design, and reactive quality cultures. The 5 pillars of zero-defect construction are commitment, prevention, measurement, training, and culture. Leadership must set the standard. Quality must be built in, not inspected later. We must use data-driven decisions and provide training for a skilled workforce. Finally, zero defect must become everyone's responsibility, fostering a strong quality culture. Poor quality is a hidden iceberg. Rework, delays, and disputes cost Indian builders 25% to 35% of project value. Zero-defect processes reduce this to under 3%. Every rupee spent on prevention saves 8 to 14 rupees in failure costs, offering a rapid return on investment and a competitive advantage. The 7 QC tools are your daily weapons for zero-defect. They include the check sheet for tracking defect frequency, the histogram for visualizing strength distribution, and the Ishikawa diagram for root cause analysis. Other essential tools are the scatter diagram, control chart, stratification/flowchart, and the SQC formula to manage concrete strength variation. The zero-defect framework applies to RMC operations from batching to pour. This includes raw material quality control based on IS codes, rigorous mixed design verification, and precise batching control with calibrated load cells. Transit and delivery require maintaining drum speed and minimum transit time. Finally, proper placement and curing are essential, including vibration control and mandated wet curing. The ISO 9001-2015 PDCA cycle structures zero-defect implementation. The plan phase involves setting objectives and managing risk. The DO phase is execution by trained workers using approved materials. The check phase involves testing, inspection, and NCR tracking. The ACT phase requires corrective action and continual improvement. Compliance with key IS codes is vital for zero-defect construction applications. The zero-defect implementation roadmap is a 12-month journey. Phases 1 and 2 focus on baselining, commitment, planning, and design. Phase 3 involves training and deployment, including toolbox talks and SQC tool implementation. Phase 4 monitors and improves through monthly audits and NCR analysis. Finally, Phase 5 aims to certify and sustain zero-defect status with ISO 9001 pre-audits and a continuous improvement loop. Our trainer's toolbox employs multimodal training for maximum impact. Methods include classroom training with case studies, hands-on workshops for practical skills like slump testing, and site walkthroughs for live defect identification. We utilize SQC exercises, assessments, and quizzes, culminating in the Zero Defect Champion certification upon achieving an 80% score. The time to act is now to build stronger India with zero defect construction. Commit to doing it right the first time, preventing defects, and making quality everyone's responsibility. Join the mission to achieve zero defect and realize the vision of a stronger India. Jai Hind.